I wanted to stop right here and go through something that's likely going to confuse you as you go out and look at the world of 3x ETFs. There are two 3x inverse ETFs of the S&P 500. There's the SPXS and there's the SPXU. They are run by different companies, so they're competing for your trade. They say, hey, we want to be the one who gets your trade, and so go with us. Look, they're going to be very, very similar to each other. They're going to be all pretty much in the same 0.1%, but let's take a look at the actual performance of the two against each other. So let's take a look at both the SPXS and the SPXU side by side, and let's see how they move. As I said, these are going to be very, very similar to each other, and they're going to move really within 0.1% of each other for the most amount of time. But let's take a look at which one is actually the best. Is there one that is actually better than the other? On the left is the return for the SPXS, and on the right is the return for the SPXU. Now, these have both been around for over a decade. You can see the SPXS started in 2009, the SPXU in 2010. Let's see which one actually performed better. Now, if we just take something like 2018, this is a pretty easy one. 3.75% and 3.4%. So the SPXU did a little bit better than the SPXS. But let's talk about all the other years. This is the side-by-side comparison of the differential between the two. So when someone asks you the question, okay, which one is better? Technically speaking, the SPXU is the better option. That's just all there is to it. When we take a look at the numbers, that is just the facts. Now, ironically, as I'm making this video in 2022, the SPXS is actually outperforming the SPXU for the year. Well, there it is, short and sweet. The answer to the question is SPXU is better. Does it really matter? Not at all. But if you're going to go with what one is technically the best, SPXU is the one to go with. Thank you.